So hello everyone and welcome to the next class on VLookup. So today I'm going to teach you all about VLookup with trim. Now what is trim? As you can see over here, I have a data set with me which has the employee name and a salary, right? John Doe, Jane Smith and Mark Taylor, right? This is their salary. If you can see over here, John Doe, there's no space right after Doe. But over here, if you can see, before John, there's a space, right? Over here, there's a space before John. There's no space before John in this case. If you use VLookup like this, you'll get an error. See, it's an error. Even though John Doe, it's same, right? Because there's a space over here beforehand, it is not able to return me the output. Hence, you should use the function called trim. I'm going to use trim function over here. Okay, trim. All right. Can you see? I have got the answer. Same here also. After Jane Smith, there's a small space, right? There's no space after Jane Smith over here. But after Jane Smith, there is a space over here. Hence, I have to use the trim function equal to VLookup trim or table array, you know which one. Okay, and column index is 2. Got it? So, as you know, right, in real world, your data may not be exactly as you wish. All right, there may be spaces, there may not be spaces, we never know. So in that scenario, we will use the trim function so that it removes the unwanted space and so that it will give you the answer that you are looking for. Now, what if this itself has a space? What if this has a space? All right, what if this only has a space? What will you do in that scenario? You will, okay, I'm removing the space over here. I've added extra space over here. Can you see extra space I've added over here, but there's no space over here. Now, what if your table itself contains an extra space? What you do in that scenario? You will do nothing but same way. Okay, you're going to trim the table itself. Okay, as you can see over here, right? When you're using this function, you must always use Control Shift Enter, not just Enter. All right. When you're when you are putting a function on a table as a whole, you must use Control Shift and Enter, not just Enter. So Control Shift Enter. So 5,000 I'm getting. If I just use Enter, I won't get the answer. As you see over here, because it has a space, I'm using trim value, trim for the whole table, and I'm entering using it. I mean, I'm executing using it what? Control Shift and Enter. Only then will I get the answer. All right. So when you are using a function over an array, you must use Control Shift Enter to get your answer. All right. So we learned what? Trim. Trim is used to remove the extra spaces from the words and give you the right answer. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you.